This is Rebecca, the Steampunk Planner, and I have my May Sterling Ink Deluxe Kit, and I'm going to go ahead and go through this with you right now. It's not time yet to set up, but I want to see. I've gotten glimpses of the freebies, and I want to see what all this looks like because I'm loving what she's doing this year beyond anything. And I need time to think about what I'm going to do. So here it is. All right, I'm going to use the white of that because it's not going to look good over Firefly. There we go. Okay, so vellum number 1. Very cool. This is going to be excellent because this is going to give me some amazing pockets or Dutch doors. Excellent. And then number 2, and I've got it upside down. A little more simple, but this is going to have such amazing effects. And I will probably use this one for Leoba's postcard that I get every month. And then let's go. Oh, I took my white card away. Let's get into, we've got, of course, the dates and the month in review, stickers, and here is the zoom in. That, whoop, that's too far. Whoa, there we go. May A5 size vellum. Loving that. That is gorgeous. I love how muted and soft these are. They're deep, vibrant colors, but they are very muted. So there is one of the vinyls or the decals. And then there's the other one. So I'm going to lift this up. That one's up. I've got this thing today about upside down, don't I? So that's those. So the next one I want to find is the month stickers. Where, there it is. So there is the serif and sans serif, whoops, or print and cursive. I really love these purples. It is so subtle, but just so amazing and powerful. Okay, so this is the freebie. And then we've got the gorgeous tabs. And then the extra tabs, which I can't wait to use. I love that one. Actually, I love them all so far. All right, and then we have the month at a glance. Come on. There it is. And we have the business card, and that is just beautiful. So just to make sure that you have her information, there we go. And then let's get into the smaller stickers. So the large pictures. Wow. Wow. I can't wait to figure out what that is. And then we've got the corners. And then the tear off pages. And yes, it was upside down again. All right, so those are there. And then we're going to go into the larger ones. So that is just amazing. Just gorgeous. Love that. Wow. Okay. The larger. Wow. I'm sorry. I'm dumbfounded. I'm speechless. These are gorgeous. They remind me of an old English botanical garden book. They're vibrant and yet so subtle and so much information. Now those are the tags. And then the framed images. And then the larger tear-offs. And then this one is the stripes or strips, which I cut down so that I have 3 different sizes. And then the stamps. Oh, look at that image. I'm going to have to go up there and see which one the other full images that she has, because I may be getting a couple more, because I'm hoping that it's going to be the large outside cafe or building front. They're just gorgeous. And of course the weeklies. Oh, I'm excited. I wanted to get this done and out so that I can start thinking about how I want to set everything up. So thank you for joining me, and I am excited and can't wait to do my May setup with you. Take care.